Hi everyone, this is Bob from Rita Machinery. Today I'd like to showcase our CNC tube integrated machine. This is a super functional machine. Machine have the automatic copper tube straightening and cutting, triplets cutting, and front side end forming with the mechanical arm, automatic arm transfer. This structure is the backside end forming, and then make the mechanical arm transfer to the CNC automatic bending structure. After tube bending, the mechanical arm will be take out the finished tube on our conveyor belt. So next, let me showcase how this machine working.